Hey guys, this is the Pokemon enthusiast here, and I have some Pokemon packs to show you guys. This first pack here, we have a Zoroark with a nice gold Charizard Y coin and a Furious Fist pack. Second pack here, I have a Metagross card in the front. Then I have some 3 packs to open up, and I'll show you guys all 4 packs, excuse me. And then let's get right into it. First pack here, Zoroark. I'm gonna open up everything. Let's go ahead and get this open. My handy dandy pocket knife here. Trying to get none of the cards. That would be terrible. Alright. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Here we have the nice gold Charizard Y coin here. We have a Zoroark here. Looks like a rare legendary treasures. Then okay, that's not a bad card right there. We have the Furious Fist pack. I'm going to open up the other one with Metagross in the front. He's just a excuse me. He's just a regular card, a single card. We have Plasma Blast. We have Plasma Freeze with Absol in the front, and then a Flash Fire pack. We have the excuse me, Metagross coin. Not coin. Excuse me. Then we have the Metagross card here. I'm not sure what set that's from, but very nice artwork there. Very nice. Set that to the side. Alright, we'll do oldest to new. Let's start off with the Plasma Freeze here. I don't know about you guys, but I do like to try and open up a pack nice and neat, just like I didn't. Alright. Do the little card trick for you guys. There's the code card. Okay. Alright. First off, we have Deino. We have Vanillite. We got Mankey, Nidoran female, a Weedle, a Jolteon, a Wireless, a Lampent, regular rare, not regular rare, it's a common, excuse me. Then for the rare we have looks like a Team Plasma, and it's a Weavile. Non-holo. Still, okay pack, got some cards I didn't have there. Okay, let's jump right in it. Plasma Blast. Like I said, I always try to, if I don't have a certain pack, I like to keep each individual pack that I open. Okay, here we have a Squirtle, Teddiursa, an Aeron, a Houndour. We have a Ducklett, a Relicanth, Ultra Ball, an Abomasnow. We have a Leap. Haven't seen one of those in a little bit. And for the rare, we have a Suicune. It's a very nice Suicune. It might be non-holo, but that's okay. Nice pull right there. Alright, then we're on to the Flash Fire pack. Oh, nice easy pack to open right there. Let's set the code card aside. Do a little card trick. Okay, now we have a Bergmite. We have a Pineco, Spheal, Baneri, Caterpie, Cielo, Lysandre, Roserade for the... Ooh, a Fortress. I've been wanting one of those cards. And looks like an ultra rare. It is Mega Charizard EX. Secret rare. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Secret rare. 108 out of 106. Mega Charizard EX. Best pull ever, ladies and gents. Best pull by far I've ever done. I'm sorry, I have to keep looking. Oh my gosh, secret rare Mega Charizard EX. Oh my gosh, that is purty. That's purty right there. Sorry. Wow. Woof. Let's whew. Alright. I'll say we got some pretty good pulls here. That's you know, can't complain. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this pack here. Furious Fist. Let's see what we get. Okay. Here's the code card. Do a little card trick. Alright. Now we have a Magmar. Oh, sorry there. We have a Pikachu. Got a Shroomish, a Pancham, Clefairy, Machoke, Poliwhirl. Ooh, a Corina. To me, you never have too many of those. A Mienfoo. What looks like another ultra rare. It's a Heracross EX. That's what I'm talking about. Very good pulls tonight. Very good pulls. You cannot complain. That is what I'm talking about. So I'll go ahead and show you the cards here. The ultra rares and the secret rare. Start with the Mega Charizard EX first. Cough, cough, my favorite card. Alright. Then we got the nice Heracross EX here. Man, that's a gorgeous Charizard. So I can show you one more time. There it is. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the Pokemon enthusiast here. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Thank you very much. See you guys later.